Hey guys, this is Allie from Little Hill Homestead. We have been doing quite a bit of research, like hours and hours, to find the best vlogging camera to continue to vlog for you guys. And everything that I keep reading on Google keeps telling me that my Ring Doorbell is going to be the best option for me. I'm not sure how I felt about that, so I decided to give it a try. So today on our vlog, YouTube, we made this cheese bread. It's a cheddar jalapeno bread. And I'd be excited for you guys to try it, but I'm afraid that I can't do the recipe while cooking on my front porch as easily as one would like. I guess I could set up a table for you guys, but I'm gonna take you back into my kitchen. Anyways, for more recipes like this cheese bread and other sourdough and other cooking recipes, please follow us on YouTube and our other social media sites under Little Hill Homestead. We appreciate you guys' support as always, and if you have any legit cameras that you would recommend for vlogging, please comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.